In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reels on Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and from the home page, I'm looking over at the left side menu for Reels. Once I see it, I'm clicking that, and that takes me straight into the Reels section. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. I'm still just finding Reels from the home page and opening it from there. Now that I'm in the Reels area, I'm looking for the button that says Create Reel. As soon as I see it, I'm clicking it. This opens the Reel creation screen, and now I'm right where I need to be to start building the Reel. At this point, I'm looking for Add Video because the next thing I want to do is upload the video file I'm going to use. So I'm clicking Add Video and choosing a video from my computer. Once I select the file, Facebook starts loading it into the editor, and I'm just giving it a moment to appear properly on screen. Now the video is in the Reel editor, and this is where I can start adjusting it. I'm using the editing tools here to trim the video if I need to, and if I want to make it a little better before posting, I can also add music, text, or effects. I'm just working through those tools one by one as they appear, making small changes, checking the preview, and making sure the reel looks the way I want. I'm not leaving this page or opening anything else, I'm just staying right here in the editor and using the tools Facebook gives me. Once that looks good, I'm moving on to the caption. So now I'm writing a caption for the reel, just typing it directly into the caption area. I'm keeping it the way I want it to appear when the reel is posted, and once that's done, I'm going to the audience setting. Here I'm choosing who can see the reel, whether that's public, friends, or another option Facebook shows on the screen. I'm just selecting the audience I want and making sure it's set correctly before I publish anything. At this point, everything is ready, the video is uploaded, I've made my edits, the caption is in place, and the audience is selected. So now I'm clicking publish, and that's it. Once I hit publish, the Facebook reel is posted. So I'm just moving through it the same way on screen. Open Facebook, click Reels from the left menu, choose Create Reel, click Add Video to upload a video from the computer, use the editing tools to trim it, and add music, text, or effects. Write a caption, choose the audience, and then click Publish. Once that final button is pressed, your reel is live and you're all set.